In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to product hunting on Sam's Club Shahid Anwar. The goal here is to find products that have real demand, offer healthy margins, and make sense before you invest too much money. A smart way to begin is by choosing one product category instead of jumping between too many at once. Focus on categories that usually have steady demand like home and kitchen, electronics, health and personal care, pet supplies, toys, or office products. Keeping your research narrow makes it easier to spot patterns and make better decisions. Once you've picked a category, go to the Sam's Club website and start browsing. Spend time looking through bestsellers, popular products, featured deals, seasonal items, and Members Mark products. This helps you quickly identify items that are already attracting attention. You're not just looking for random cheap products, you want products that people are clearly interested in buying. As you browse, pay attention to signs of strong demand. Look for products with solid customer ratings, items that can sell consistently throughout the year, and products that solve common everyday problems. It also helps if the item comes from a well-known brand or a trusted private label because that can make it easier to sell. After that, compare prices. Check how much the product costs on Sam's Club, then compare it with prices on marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart Marketplace, or eBay. This step is important because a product may look good at first, but once you factor in selling fees, shipping costs, and taxes, the profit can disappear very quickly. Next, calculate your numbers carefully. Work out the purchase cost, the marketplace fees, shipping, estimated profit, and your return on investment, or ROI. Don't guess here. If the product does not meet your target profit goals, move on and keep researching. Then check the product's demand more deeply using product research tools or marketplace sales data. You want to estimate monthly sales volume, competition, price history, and demand trends. Try to avoid products with very low demand or products where the competition is so strong that it will be difficult to stand out unless you already have a clear advantage. When you find a promising product, don't rush into a large purchase. Test with a small order first. This gives you a chance to confirm demand and see whether your profit estimates are accurate in the real market. Finally, keep monitoring Sam's Club for instant savings, clearance events, and seasonal promotions. These deals can improve your margins and help you restock more profitably over time. Consistency is what makes product hunting work, so keep researching, testing, and refining your process.